Hello everybody, so today we're going to be doing Cambridge Primary Checkpoint math paper today. So this is paper 1 and this is April 2021 and we will have 45 minutes to complete the test, and you will need a protractor. Tracing paper is optional, and we will have to answer all of these questions, and we will have total marks will be 40. So yeah, now we're going to start. Write the missing number in the box. So for this question, we're going to do 1000 subtracted by 650. So this will become 0. And right here, whoops, there we go. We're gonna add this 0 here. This will become a 9 and this will become a 10. So this will be a 5 right here, and then 9 minus 6 is 3. So 350 is our answer. You can also add it to check. So the next question is 30 plus 80 plus 60. So we're going to write this question down, 80, 30, and 60. And we need to add this. So the 0 will stay the same. So 6 plus 3, 6 is 9. So then 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. So that will be 17. So 17 is our answer. 170 is our answer. So now for this question, what we're going to do, this is also quite a simple question. So what we're going to do is we're going to do, as you can see, 40 and 40 plus what is equal to this. So first we're going to add 40 plus 30. We're going to add it first so we can find out. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 17. So now what will we add into 17? We can do actually 200 subtracted by 70 now. So that's easy. And what we're going to do is we're going to make the 2 is going to be a 1. Right here it will be a 10. So this will be a 0. And now we're going to do 10 minus 7, 3, 13. 130 is our answer. There we go. Now, here are 4-digit cards. Okay, so we have 4, 6, 2, and 5. Use each of these digits once to make total that is multiple of 10. So for this question, what we're going to do is you have to make it a multiple of 10. So multiple of 10s are like 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. Like the ones with the 0 at the end. So any number that has a 0 at the end is a multiple of 10. So what we can do is let's start. So first we can put it like this. We can make it like this, like a question. So we're going to make these boxes and we have to make it a multiple of 10. So we're going to add the plus sign. Now, as we all know that 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 6 and a 4. This is going to be 0 here. And the 1 will go at the top. Now, what if we do, and we are only allowed to use each number once. So now we're going to do 5 and 2. We're going to use it. And this one, don't forget that. So we're going to see. So that is 7, 8. So 80. We got 80 our answer. So that is pretty much correct. We can also write 80. 56 plus 24 is equal to 80. So there are 205 students in 1 year group in a school. 97 are boys. Write how many are girls. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the total number of students to the number of boys. We're going to do this. So we're going to subtract 97 and then we will find out our answer. So as you can see, we cannot minus. We will have to borrow. So this will become a 9. This will become a 15. So 13, 14, 15. 15 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. 8 is our answer. So there will be an 8 here. And this will become a 0 and this will be a 1. So there are 108 girls. Next. There are 223 students in another year group. Classroom can have a maximum of 30 students. Write how many classrooms are needed for this year group. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 223 divided by 30. So that's what we're going to do. Now, for this we're going to have to use the whole number. So what we're going to do is we're going to write the table of 30. So 30 times 2, let's check what it is. 0, and 2 5s are 6, so 60. No, we're pretty far away, so we can try 30 times 4 now. We can do that way. There, this would be a 12. Okay, close, but still not it. Let's do times 5. Okay, 0, 15. No, still not it. Let's keep trying to see if we get it. So 0, 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is at 18. Okay, yeah, that is the closest one, I think. Let's try 7 now. 0, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3s are 21. There. So this is our, I think 21 is like gonna be it. So let's do times 8 anyways. 0, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 here. So our maximum we can do 7 times. So 7, 2, 10, 0. They're gonna minus that. 210 minus. So this will be a 3, this will be a 1, and that will be a 0. So 13 is remaining. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 7 plus 1 extra, because we need to put those other students in a classroom too. We can't just leave them. So we will have 8 classrooms we will need. Next, round these values to the nearest dollar. Okay, so in order to round this off, as you can see, we'll have to check this right here, 5. So 5 is greater, so it's 5. So if you know that if it's 4 or less than 4, like any number like 3, 2, 1, then it will round down. But if it's 5 or if it's greater than 5, it will round up. So this will become $8. Now for this question, so there's 12 and this is 4. As I said, that if it's 4 or if it's less than 4, it will round down. Actually, it'll stay the same pretty much, so it'll be 12. Now, a rectangle has an area of 35 centimeters square. The width of the rectangle is 5 centimeters. Write the length of the rectangle. Okay, so for the area, how to figure out area is, the formula is area, let me write it, A-R-E, area, is equal to length multiplied by width. So that is what we're going to do. But for this, what we're going to do is I'm also going to show you this rectangle. Here's the rectangle, as you can see. Actually, this is not that good, but let me make it a little bit more accurate. There you go, that's better. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do 35 divided by 5, and 35, 7 are 35. So 7 centimeters is our answer. Yeah, simple. Now, ooh, this one looks like a very fun, interesting question. I can't wait to try it. Here are 4 bags of beads. Each bag has white and black beads. Okay, so there's bag A, bag B, bag C, and bag D. Okay, a bead is selected from each bag without looking. Write a letter to make these statements true. Bag dash has an even chance of picking a black bead. Okay, so has an even chance. I'm probably sure that's gonna be bag C for this, because bag C, as you can see, there is like an even chance. See, there's 2 whites and 2 blacks, so it's an even chance for both. It can be black or it can be white. We don't know. It's gonna be even chance. But if there's like look at this. We can't say this one is it, because there is 3 blacks and only 1 white, so there's a greater chance of it being black than white. So our answer is C. Next, bag dash has the best chance of picking a black bead. Well, from here, what I'm seeing is probably going to be bag A. As I said, that as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 black beads and only 1 white bead. So it's pretty obvious that's going to be bag A. Next. Oops, wait, let me write it. There we go. Now, the next question. Bag dash has the best chance of picking a white bead. Okay, let's check bag D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 white, 1, 2, 3 black. So pretty much the most greatest chance of being it's bigger, so probably it's gonna be white. So that's the best chance. White. So we're gonna do 5. Oops, not 5 right there, right? 5, and we're gonna write D, of course. So we mean bag D is the one. So now, draw a line to join each activity to the best unit of time to measure it. Okay. So fly from London to New York. Well, that will be in hours. The flight will be for hours. So run 100 meters. Well, that will be seconds. Sail from London to New York. Well, first of all, sailing will take a longer time, so it will take days. And cycle 3 kilometers. Well, it will take minutes. Next. Carlos has 5 number cards. The mod of the 5 cards is 1. So mod is the most repeated number. So they said that the repeated number, this will repeat like 2 times or 3 times. We'll check. So the sum of the 5 cards is 11. Okay. So sum means that when we add it, that's the answer. So write the missing numbers on each card. So for this, what we're going to do for the mod, mod should be 1. So 1 we will add 2 times, and let's see how many we have here. So 2 plus this is 5, 6, 7. So this is equaling to 7 right now. So what will we add to this? Plus dash will equal to 11. So this whole is going to be 11. So pretty much 4. If we add 4, then our answer will be 11. So that is our answer. Next, write how many meters there are in 15.5 centimeter. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 15.5 multiplied by 10. So the point will just move, so it'll be 155. So next, here is some flour on the scale. Write the mass of the flour. Okay, so as we can see, so pretty much if we start from, as you can see right here, wait, let me show you 1 second. So here it is sort of on, as you can see, so here this is going to be 25. Oops, I meant 325. And here, wait, let me fix this. 325, there you go. And here it will be 350. And here it will be about 375. So 375 grams is our answer. Next. Here's a recipe for leek and potato soup. Okay, so this is for 6 people. Eva makes soup for 12 people. Complete the list of ingredients. So what we'll have to do is we have to make it for 12 people. Have you noticed something? Well, if we do 6 plus 6, what does it equal? 12. So all we have to do is double all of these. So double them, like we'll have to add this again, and then we'll get our answer. So 700 plus 700 is 14,000. So if you'll be wondering how I did that so fast, well, if we all know that 7 plus 7 is 14, right? And then we just have to add the 0. So that's how I do it. So 375 plus 375. So we can add this actually, so it's a little bit more easier. So I'll just add it by hand normally. So yeah, let's add it. 375. It's my 7. Okay, let's add that. So 10, go up there. Then this is 7 plus 7 is 14. This will become 15 because the 1 is there. 6, 7. So 750 is our answer here. 750 grams of potatoes. Next. So here it is 850 ml of stock. So what we're going to do, 850 plus 850. Yes, it's super easy. 0, 10 will go up there. 8 plus 8 is 16. We'll do 17 because there's a 1 right up there. So 1,700 is our answer for this one. 1,700. Simple. Now, next, tablespoons. Okay, so they said that we need 1.5 tablespoon. So for this, we will need 2.5 tablespoon. 2.5 tablespoon. That's it. Simple. Now, so there's 65 butter. So, and then we have to do 65 plus. Oops, I add 65. So it's gonna be a 10. 2 plus 6 is 12. So 11, 12, 13. Okay, there you go. 130 grams. Next. Okay, here is a right-angled triangle on a square grid. Okay, you can see that. And this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Now, The right angled triangle is translated 2 squares right and 1 square down. So we have to keep this in mind. If we do not notice this, then our answer will be wrong. We have to look at this. Now we have to draw the triangle in the right position. So what we're going to do is, this is going to be a little bit easy. So I'm going to start from this point. 1, 2. 2 squares right and 1 square down. So this is where our point will be. And we can also erase our rough work because it's going to get very messy. So yeah, here now. So we're going to do this again. 1, 2. 1 square down. There we go. This is where our point is now. Simple. Next. So now we're going to start from here. This is going to be a 1, 2, and down here. Point. There we go. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw it. Please do use a ruler because this is important to get the line straight. Right now there's no ruler in this app, so I'm using it like this. My lines are a little bit wobbly, but you have to use a ruler, so it'll be much straighter. So now for this question, match each fraction to an equivalent percentage. Okay, so as we all know, 1 by 2 is equal to 50% because it's half, so 50% is the half of 100%. So, and then 300, like 3 by 100, this will be 3%. Because like out of 100, only 3 of it is done, so that's why it's 3%. Now, 7 by 10 will be 70%. Next. The top number in the diagram is the sum of the 2 numbers below. Okay. So as you can see, 18 plus 12 is equal to 30. Now, complete this diagram using the same rule. Okay. So for this question, what we're going to do is, first what we're going to do is we're going to do some adding. So this is not even going to be adding stuff, so we're going to do this. So 3,997 plus 4,218. Oops. 4,218. Add them. Okay. So we're going to do this. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15, one will go up there, 5 will go here. This will be a 10, this will become an 11, 1 goes up there. That's going to be a 12. Okay. And this 4 plus 4 is 8, so 8. So now what we're going to do is, as you can see, if we add these 2 numbers, our answer will go up here. So we're going to add that. 8,215. There we go. So we got that number. Now, let's add these 2 together so we can kind of know what's going to be at the top. So we're going to do that. 5 plus 8,215. So this will become 10, 2, and then this will become a 2 as well, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there. So this is going to be our answer. There. 14,220. And now for right here, for this, if we want to figure this out, we're going to have to subtract. So we're going to do 6,005 subtracted by 3,997. So let's do that. 3,997. Subtract. So as you can see, this is bigger and this is like small right here, so we'll have to pretty much borrow. So let's do that. This will become so we're gonna do this 5. So okay, there we go. This will become a 9 and 9, and this will become a 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. So 8 will write via 0, 0, and 5 minus this is going to be 2. So this is our answer for here. 0, 0, 8. Next. A train leaves at 8:15 in the evening. Write the time using the 24-hour clock system. So for this question, if you all know that 8:15 is equal to, it means 8:15. So for this, as we all know, so we're gonna start from, we're going to go from 12, and then we're going to carry on to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So our answer will be 20. Let me write it here, 20, 15. Let me erase this rough word that we just did because it's coming in our way of writing it. 15 is our answer. Next, draw a ring around all the multiples of 25 in the table. So all of the, we're gonna write a little bit of the table of 25. So there's 25, then it's 50, okay, then it is 75, and then it is 100. So as we're noticing that these are the numbers, so if there's 0, 0 at the end, like if there's 2 zeros, then it is a multiple of 25. So 900 is the answer. And as we saw, 350 is also the answer. If you guys will be like, why isn't it 430? Well, because it's logic. As you can see, there's 50 in the table, so this would be correct. And then 675. So as you can see right here, 75 is here, so this is also a multiple. So we got it. Now, here are 4 numbers, and now we have to use these and put them in the correct statements. So we have to put them in the boxes. So 36.2 is greater than what number? Well, it is greater than 35.2. So we're going to write that, 35.2. And we have to use each number once. Okay, so we can like we have underlined it, so now we know that we're not going to use that again. So 72.6 is equal to, well, it is equal to 33.9. Because well, first of all, what I'm going to show you is 33.9 plus 38.7 is equal to the 1. See, and we have to put the point 2. So this is gonna be this is gonna be 2 right here. 1 is gonna be carried, and this is going to be 7. See, so we got 72.6. So we are going to add this 1, 7. Now, so our last option, as you can see, is left. So we're going to underline these ones too, so we know we did them. So now our last option is 36.4, and it is greater than 35.1. So 6.4. Next, write 13 by 8 as a mixed number. So for mixed number, what we're going to do is, this is like a simple question. So first what we're going to do is we're going to divide simple. So 8 will be here, and the 13 will be in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use 8, because yeah, it comes 16. 2 times 8, 8 times 2 is 16, so that's bigger, so we're going to use 8. And then if we minus this, it would be 5 remainder. So what we're going to do is, now this is like a little cycle. So the 1 will be the whole number by the 5. This one, the denominator will stay as the denominator, the numerator will be the 5 right here, the remainder. So now next, here are 5 number cards. Okay, draw a line to match cards with the same value. Well, as we all know that 10, if there's like 40 tens and 400 units, those are same. So we know that. Now 400 tens and 40 hundreds. Well, actually that is also the same, because as you can see, there's 40 hundreds, and this is also like the same. So yeah, That's our answer. Let me just stop underlining everything. There we go. Now, complete the following. So for this question, we're going to do this. 0.7 times 7. So 7 sevens are 14. 0.0 and 1 there. Okay, so wait a minute. So as we can see, 7 sevens are 14. 1 will go there, 4 will be down here, and then the point and this one. So 0.4 is our answer. Now we have to do 4.8 divided by 6. So 6 and 4.8. So for this, what we're going to do is we're going to pretty much remove this point. So we're going to put it up here, point. We're going to add the point right there, and now the point is gone, okay? And then we're going to add the 0 here if you want to. And now what we're going to do is, let's do 6 ones are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, and 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, and then 6 8s are 48. So 0.8 is our answer. Now for this question, 120 times 0.4. I'm gonna add the point here too, so it's easier. So this will become a 0, 2 4 6 8, and the 4. Now around a 0, that would be a 0 to the point here and here, and yeah, 0 0 0. Another 0 and another 0, and now when we add it, we get 48.0. So 40. We can just write 48. So oops, wait, my 8 is a little bit messed up, but yeah, next. Okay, here is a shape on a 5 millimeter square grid. Okay, what is the area of the shape? So to find the area, as you can see these boxes that are making, see? Yes, those 4 kind boxes. That's how we're gonna find it out. So first what we're going to do is I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, just wait. So we're going to do it like this. See 1 2 3 4, there's 4 boxes, and this is how we're going to have to do it. Okay, I'm gonna try to make my line straight, but yeah, there. Then here, and here, 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 and now we're gonna have to add one here. Oh wait, I think, 1 second. This one, let's put that there. This one here, there. So now how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So this is 24 centimeter square. The shape is the net of a cube. Write the length of one edge of the cube in centimeter. So a cube has 6 faces. Yes, faces. So pretty much it's going to be 2 centimeters square. So next. Hasan finds the product of 2 multiples of 10. The answer is 2,400. List all the calculations that give his answer. Well, if we do, so this is like a simpler way to do this. So 1 times 24 is 24, right? Yeah, but if we add a 0 at the end, 0 and 0. See, that's easy. So all we need to know is know the multiples of 24 and just add the 0 at the end. So 2 times 12 is also 24. So now we're going to do 0 and 0, 0. So just like this, we're gonna keep adding the zeros. And now we can do 3 times. We can also add the 0 right now. So 3 times 8 and I write 80 is equal to 24, so now we just have to add 0. And the other one is 6 times 4 is equal to 24, and 0, 0, 0. So now all we have to do is write them down. Okay, 10 times 24. So that is also our answer. We're going to write it. We don't have to write this. We're just gonna do it like this. Like this is fine. So 20 times 120, comma 30 times 80, comma, let's write it here because over there we wrote it. So then 60 times 42. Now we're done. Next. Okay, here is an incomplete calculation. Use only these 3 digits to make the calculation correct. So what we're going to do for this is, it's quite simple because all we have to do is use these digits, so it's quite easy. Now let's try this. So what we're going to do is, we do know that 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, but we don't have 4, but we have 7 plus 3. Yep, that's gonna equal it. So what we can do is we can add some boxes, one like this. You can make our calculation, you know, plus, actually wait, I think we can make it like a lot more neater. There we go. Here, 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 here. That will equal to 1,000. See, this is like a way of doing the question. Now, all we have to do is 7 plus 3 is equal to 0. 1 will go up there, 10 I meant. So now, there. We are allowed to use these digits. We can use them more than once. So now this is also going to be 10. 1 will go up there. And now we can do 3 again. And you can use 6 here. There we go. We got it. So 667 plus 333. Now, the line graph shows the average temperature in Athens for 8 months. So here's the average temperature in Athens. So now here are the months and everything. Naomi wants to visit, and they're in a month when the average temperature is higher than 20 degrees Celsius. So she wants to visit it when the temperature is like higher than 20 degrees Celsius. So she says now we have to list all of them that she can choose. So what we can do is we can just make a simple line right here, and we will know all of the ones that are above it, and we'll know. So right here, this one is April, May, and the other one is October. Okay. So now I don't know. Oh wait, November also counts. Excuse me, why did my line move? That was weird. Let me fix that. What happened? I made the line properly. I don't know why it moved. There we go. Now, as we can see, November is also it. So we can just write it in short form. So May, she could choose May, or she could use April. She could use November, or she could use October. Next. Okay. So 3 two-digit numbers are added together. The total is 60. Okay. The largest number is 9 multiplied by 3. So, okay, now the smallest number is a multiple of 6. Write the 3 numbers. Okay, so for this, what we can do is, actually we have to do 9 times 3. So 9 times 3 again. So 9 ones are 9. It's at 27. Yeah, 27. So we got that. So 9 times 3 is 27. And now what we have to do is, they said that the smallest number is the multiple of 6. So the smallest number, we could do 6 on the 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and then 24, so etc. So what we're going to do is, we can write over here, we can write 27 for this one right here. This is done. and we could write 12, 2 for the smallest number, and we could also, one more thing, we have to make it total 60. We forgot that. So let's see, 27 plus 12. So let's see, 7, 8, 9. So 9, and this will be a 3. So we got 39. So if we do 39 plus 21, what will we get? So 10 goes up there, and then 60. So the next one more number that we have to add is gonna be 21. So there we go. You can write that. Now, next question. So Perry and Yuri each think of different numbers. Yuri says, we double our number. My answer is 16 more than Perry's number. Perry's number is 23. So work out, we have to work out this person's number now. So they said it's 16 more. So she said that if we double it, we double our number. My answer is 16 more than Perry's number. So what we can do is, first what we can do is we can kind of sort of double the number. So double our number. So this is like a backwards question actually. So what we have to do is we have to go backwards. So okay, so 16 more than, so first we have to use Barry's number. So Barry's number is 23. Now he says 16 more than, so we're going to subtract now 16 instead. So we're going to do everything the opposite. So 13, 12, 13, so 13 minus 6, 7. So 7, and this was, okay, 2, so minus there, and now this will come to 0. So we got 7. Now, he said that we double our number. So when we double our number, we get 14. No, I don't think so. That's actually correct. Right. Okay, so first let's see, 23, let's do 23 actually times 2. First let's double this number, okay? So when we double it, we get 46. So now, oh yeah, we have to do, oh yeah, now we get it. So 46 plus 16, now we have to do that. 16, so plus 16, 6 times 6 is 12, goes up there, 6, 4, 5, 6, so there. Now we get 62, and now we have to do 62 divided by 2, and our answer is 31. So we get 31 as our answer for this question now. Here is a number line. Okay. Estimate what number is shown by arrow A. Okay, so for this question, we will have to find the estimate. So as you can see here, it will be like, let's see, it's going to be like 1,000. 1 second. Oops, there we go. So it's like 1,000, and then it's gonna be 2,000, 2,000, and then it's gonna be like 3,000. So here it is about on 3. I think it's like 3,600. 600, I think. That's like the closest one that I think. So yeah. Draw an arrow to show the number 500 less than the number shown by arrow B. Okay. So for this, what we're going to do is there's like a method. So let's see what she says, this girl. Sophie says, you can solve the problem 16 times 34 by multiplying 34 by 10 and by 6, then adding the two answers. Use Sophie's method to calculate 16 times 9. You must show your work. Okay. So first she says that we have to do 16 times this, so we have to do 34. So that is about, yeah, so we're gonna do equals to, so we're gonna do 34 times 10. We're gonna make this like an equation plus 34 times 6. let's add this in bracket, close the bracket. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 16 times 9 as she says. And then we're going to do 9 times 10 plus 9 times 6. And then we're going to do 90 plus 54. And this will equal to 144. So pretty much that's going to be the end. Bye.